Hello students. Now today we are going to discuss chance and probability. So let us see some example. The sun is coming up from the west. So it is impossible. Sun always comes from the east side. I am giving some example. An ant growing up to 3 meter height. That is also it is not possible. Right? Ant cannot go to 3 meter height. 3 meter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it approximately comes here this much. 3 meter this much. Right? Next, if you take a cube larger volume, its side also will be larger. So it is certain. It means it is 100% right. See what is the statement? If you take a cube of larger volume, its side also will be. I'll explain in the form of diagram. This is a cube. Now what they are saying, if I draw a big cube, then side also will be big. You can see here the side is small, and compare this side with this side. There will be one is small. This is small cube, side also small. This is big cube, side also big. So that is only so it is going to happen always. Now India winning next series. Both are possible. Either India may lose the match or either India may win the series. Right here, both are possible. Right? Both are possible. Let me discuss once again with you. Sun is coming up from the west, so it is impossible. An ant going up to 3 meter height, not possible. If you take a cube of larger volume, its side also will be larger. I have discussed just now with you. One small cube and big cube you can see. India is winning next series, so both are possible. Right here, okay. Now question number 1 of exercise 3.4. You can see here. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, or can happen but not certain. So you can see now here. You are older than yesterday. Yes, it is always true, certain to happen. Right? It is certain to happen. Second, a toss coin will land heads up, can happen but not certain, because there is other chances there. You may get it tail also. What is the outcome can come as a? One other outcome can come as a tail also. The two outcomes are possible. One is head, one is tail. So one is tail, one is head. But what is the statement given here? A toss coin will land heads up, can happen but not certain. Sometimes it may come tail, sometimes it may come head. So like this, the answer is can happen but not certain. Come on the next. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. In a die, how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. So 8 is not possible. It is impossible. So 8 is impossible. Now the next traffic light seen will be green. It can happen, but not certain. Sometimes it may be red, sometimes it may be yellow. So can happen, but not certain. Now fifth part. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Can happen, but not certain. It can be cloudy. Sometimes it can be rainy. Sometimes it can be sunny also. So it can happen, but not certain. Right here. Now. This is the question number 1. I am discussing once again with you. The first part, you are older than yesterday. It is 100% right. Because today what is your age? Tomorrow it will be, your age is going to increase. So older than yesterday. A toss coin will land heads up. Can happen but not certain. Some chances are there it may tail. So can happen but not certain. Now, a die when tossed shall land up with 8, so it is impossible. Because in dice, how many pieces are there? Outcome 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next traffic light seen will be green. Can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Can happen but not certain, because outcomes are so many possible. Sunny, rainy. Now probability is equal to what is the meaning? The formula is there. Favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Suppose I toss a coin. What is the probability of getting head? So what is the outcome? One is head, one is tail. So if I say what is the probability of getting head, so what is the answer? 1 upon 2. Why 1 upon 2? Because head is favorable is only 1 and total outcome how many are there? 2. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. So like this we will see now in the next problem. Okay, here I think question number 1 is clear to you. There are 6 marbles in a box with the number 1 to 6 marked on each of them. Right here. What is the probability of drawing a marble with the number 2? With the number 2. So now you can see here how many outcomes are possible. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now in this, what is in my favor? Only 1. So favorable outcome, write the formula, favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. It is favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. So what is the answer? 1 by 6. What is the answer here? 1 by 6. Next here, what is the probability of drawing a marble with the number 5? Now again the formula here, it is probability. Probability. Now here number 5, again the outcomes will be how many here? 6. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my favor only 1 is there. Here also in my favor only, which was there, is asking for a, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So only 2. So here only 1. So you can see 1 upon 6. What is the answer here? 1 favorable is only 1. Then total how many are there? You can see it is 6. So 1 upon 6 is the answer. Right here. Let me repeat once again this question. There are 6 marbles in a box with a number 1 to 6 marked on each of them. What is the probability of drawing a marble with the number 2? With the number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probability is equal to favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Right here. Now favorable is only 1. So I wrote 1 here. And total how many are there? You can see it is 6. So I wrote upon 6. So 1 upon 6 is the answer. Now in this you can see again favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. What they ask? What is the number 5? So it is only 1. So 1 upon 6 is the answer. So this question number 2 completes here. A coin is flipped. Decide which team starts again. Which probability that your team will start. So you can see now there are 2 teams are there. One is your team and one is opposite team. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts again. What is the probability that your team will start again? There are 2 teams are there. So what is the outcome? Outcome will be either your team will start, either opposite team will start. Now what is the formula of probability? You can see here probability is equal to favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. So what is the favorable? Only one is favorable. So answer is 1 upon 2. You can see again a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So solution. Outcome how many are there? Let's see first. Outcome is here. Your team and opposite team. Probability now. Probability of your team. You can write of your team. So it comes here. Favorable outcome upon total outcome. And you can see your team, how much is there? Only 1. So 1 upon 2. Only these 3 questions are there in this exercise. I hope you understood everything properly. And this one only is in this chapter. Thank you everyone.